How to get $100 Amazon promo code. For this, open a browser that you prefer and search for www.wavycoupons.com and wait for you to be redirected. In here, you will find coupons, deals, and offers regarding the vast range of platforms that you can use. To search for a particular platform, at the very top, you will see the search dialog. Go ahead and search for Amazon right here. Now, talking about Amazon, it is a leading online retailer known for its vast selection of products and convenient shopping experience. It also offers everything from electronics to books and also provides a fast delivery and reliable customer service. If you look closely ever to the Amazon logo, you will see an arrow from A to Z, denoting that it delivers and offers everything, and they take it quite literally. Now moving on with the video, to find more coupons, tap on this See More option. Then you will find even more option of coupons right here below. Now if you find any of this coupon interesting, tap on Show Coupon, then tap on Unlock Code. Now wait for your code to be unlocked. Once it is completely unlocked, you can head back from here. Now search for Amazon. Tap on it. Now to redeem this code, first and foremost, purchase an item. While checking out, use the promo code that you just copied. And just like that, you have made it to the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.